Hello everyone. Today we will talk about Epic. So what is Epic in Jira? So Epic is a large body of work that can be broken down into number of smaller stories or sometimes called issues. Okay. So I'll tell you how to create Epic in Jira. Okay. So let's go to the Jira. So this is my Jira homepage, right? And I select one of the projects, which is demo project. Okay. Then you click on create and you can select the project and then click on issue type should be epic, and you can create. So setting up the branch, bank branch in one location, right? In one location. Okay. And then you can write the text. So whatever is required, you can put that information here. Okay. And you can assign it, and then you can label it, right? And you can select the date, when do you want to start, and when do you want to, how much time you take to complete the requirement. So let's assume that I'm taking 1 month. Okay. And then you can create, right? So as soon as you click the create button, a link, epic will be created, right? And you can go and start adding the information over here, right? So once that is done, you can also change the status to in progress. That means you started the work on it, right? And you can assign it to the person whosoever whom you want to assign it. You can do that also, right? So once the epic is done, now you can have a very big work that can be done. So you can simply start adding the stories. So what needs to go in setting up the branch in one location? No, okay, like funding is required. Funding is required, right? Great. Infrastructure, infrastructure requirement, location requirement, location to be identified. Okay. Then uh, security, human resource, human resource and hiring, uh, virtual security, virtual security, then uh, lockers, lockers, ATM machine, ATM machine, forms, documents, documents related to transaction, related to transaction, transactions. Okay, so these are called user stories. That means a big requirement, uh, uh, a big requirement can be broken into multiple user story, right? And then you can go to one of them and start adding more information, like a locker, or let's say take the example of human resource and hiring, right? So you might require, like, okay, uh, hiring of staff, hiring of security, hiring of staff of bank officer, housekeeping, housekeeping. So you can create that uh, task. And so now if you see the project has Epic, you can go and see the backlog, right? You'll see the Epic that is created. So this is the Epic that we create, setting of the back. Okay. If you click, you'll see the details also. So starting from this, you can click on this to see the details, which all tasks are required or user stories are required to be done. So we have all the tasks for that. And then if you click on one of these stories, so it has multiple subtasks also. So this is how it grows actually. The Epic is a bigger picture, then it gets into a uh, smaller work item, and then you can further break into sub items. And then you can move, you select and you can change the status, right? It could be when you start working on it, you can put it in progress. When this is done, you can mark it as done, right? So this is about the Epic uh, stories and task. And you can create everything from here. You can select and create stories also directly from here, right? Or you can go and select task and you can create the task from here, right? And if you want, you can create the bugs also from here, right? So that all can be created. Thank you. Thanks a lot.